All right, well, here we are with Greg's Goldie 1971 #1 Legacy Series Chevelle. We're getting ready to go to the Wide Open Rallies event, where we're going to go take 2 Chevelles to drive them all the way to Red Bluff, California to start the road rally, and go from there to the rest of the tour with all the supercars that are attending the event. All kinds of Porsches, Lamborghinis, and Ferraris. Tag along with us. We're going to show you the whole journey. We're going to get fuel. We're driving up to 5, driving through Sacramento. We got 6 hours of driving to do today on Thursday as we make our way to Red Bluff, California. Here we are, Friday morning, Wide Open Rallies in Red Bluff, California. Yesterday we drove the 2 Chevelles from Bakersfield up here. Took us, I don't know, 6 hours or something to do 412 miles, something like that. And it's a good drive. Sacramento traffic kind of sucks from the Bay Area, but other than that, everything else was good. So we look forward to joining the back roads today with these guys and taking you along for the journey.
Me 'cause so good, like anything was possible. Hit cruise control and rub my eyes. The last 3 days, and the rain was unstoppable. It was always cold, no sunshine. Yeah, running down a dream that never would come to me. Working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. Running down a dream. I put the pedal down to make some time. There's something good. Whatever is mine. I'm running down a dream that never would come to me. Working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. Running down a dream. Yeah, I'm running down a dream that never would come to me. Working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. I'm running down a dream.
All right, here we are, the end of day one, Fort Bragg, California. We left, where did we leave this morning? Red Bluff, California. We left there, hit some back roads right away. I think I've probably turned on 3,000 turns today on some of the, well, one stretch of road was one of the roughest stretches of road I've seen for a back road. May not have been intended for a lot of cars on this tour. But here we are. Chevelles did great. No issues on anything. Just had a good day. Driving the cars, testing the cars, hanging out with a different crowd. Man, some of these guys can wheel cars. But it's been great fun. Getting to know a different crowd, seeing a lot of that stuff. It's just neat to see the looks on people's faces, get a lot of thumbs up, get a lot of other profane things that were said from the side of the road when you drive by. A lot of Americas, a lot of things like that. So look forward to sticking around and seeing how the rest of this thing goes.
She stood there bright as the sun on that California coast.
He was a Midwestern boy on his own. She looked at him with those soft eyes so innocent and blue. He knew right then he was too far from home. Oh, he was too far from home. She took his hand and she led him along that golden beach. They watched the waves tumble over the sand. They drove for miles and miles of those twisting, turning roads. Higher and higher and higher they climbed. In those Hollywood nights, in those Hollywood hills, she was looking so right in her diamonds and frills. All those big city nights, in those high rolling hills, above all the lights, she had all of the He'd headed west cause he felt that a change would do him good. See some old friends, good for the soul. She had been born with a face that would let her get away. He saw that face and he lost all control. Yeah. He had lost all control. Night after night, day after day, it went on and on. Then came that morning, he woke up alone. He spent all night staring down at the lights of LA, wondering if he could ever go home.